In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a new Google Analytics account and property for a new web build. In this case, we're going to use BrandHawk, which is one of our sister companies. So we're going to go to analytics.google.com, and once you're all logged in, you should see this screen right here. And we're going to go down to admin. Then we're going to click create account. And the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to name the account, which is going to be BrandHawk. We're going to scroll all the way down here and hit next. And then now we're going to name the property, which we're going to use the same thing, BrandHawk. And then in this case, we're going to go down here and we're going to hit show advanced options. And we're going to create an old school universal analytics property. So in my experience, you just have more control over what's being tracked and an easier usability of analytics. First thing we got to do is put in the URL. So I'm going to just go grab that from the site here and put our URL in, which is brandhawk.com. And then I'm not going to create both an analytics for and universal analytics. I just want to create the universal analytics property. And we're going to hit next. And then we're going to go in and put in the parameters that have to do with our business. So in this case, it's a medium business, and on most times, so we always are looking to measure customer engagement. We're always trying to optimize the site experience. We're always trying to measure data across multiple devices. We're going to optimize our advertising cost always. We're always looking to increase conversions. We want to measure content monetization. We want to analyze online sales. We're not really dealing with an app, so we're going to leave that one unchecked. And we're going to measure lead generation, and then we're going to hit create. Then we're going to hit the little checkbox here. You can read the terms and then hit accept. And once we do that, we're going to be shown this page. And we'll get into this in another video, but I will show you how to, here's our code that we're going to add into the back end of the website, or to tag manager, whichever way you choose to implement this. But I'll show you a couple different ways to get this implemented. That is how we create a new account and a new property in Google Analytics.